Yo yo yo, thrifty people, it's Big Si here. Right, loads of people have asked me, Si, what stove would you use? Me, personally, long term, got to be a Trangia. Right, so let's have a look at a Trangia. As you can see, I've had this man and boy, mostly boy. That's probably 35 years old. So your basic Trangia set, you get your frying pan, your pot gripping handle, you get your kettle, you get simmering, transportation cap, a burner, you get your 2 pans, a 1 pan and a 2 pan. You get your old windshield base. Now this is not the original windshield base, this is an updated one with the cutouts because I like to use occasionally gas on mine. Right, so to assemble your Trangia windshield base, I normally face this bit the way the wind's going. Burner in there, pour your meths in to how much you want. Now what I would say to you is nobody knows how much meths you want, it all varies. Meths burns at different rates due to the quality of it, so what you need to do is experiment with any bit of kit that you're using. Experiment, use it all the time. Once you get used to it, yeah, no problems. Practice, practice, practice. Yeah? Practice and experience always make up for having the latest kit and no clue. Right? This, been around donkey's years, still cook your breakfast. No props. So, pour it in. Now, I've always found this, when you come to light it, you have this bit on there, like a so, you like that, and you have to lean down into it. There's a good chance you're going to lose all the hairs up your arm, but if you have that bit off and light it like so, yeah, no problemo. Yep. So pop that there, light it, pop the windshield on, put my kettle on. Alright, there we go. Kettle's boiled, cup of tea. I don't put it out, there's some left. Take your pot grip, lift your top off, there's little detents, yeah, put it down somewhere safe. Get this, your flame stuffer. Now you can go like that, or if you're slightly worried, yeah, grip it with that, pop it on. Job's a good and finished. Right, when it's cool, what I would suggest you do is pour out your meths back into your meths container. Yeah, give that a couple of minutes for any residual meths to evaporate, shall we say. Then you put your top on. If you put your top on when that's too hot, what happens is it cools and it causes a vacuum. You can't get your top off, so you have to then puncture your top. Right, some people keep meths in it and transport. I don't, because meths is hygroscopic, which means it wants to absorb water. So if you leave it for a long time with the top on and some in, you'll find that it absorbs water, and inside here there's like a wadding. Yeah, so there's not a gap, there's wadding inside there, and it makes it all gunky and horrible, and then it won't flower up, because obviously when you light this and it burns, all these little holes, the meths evaporates through it, catches fire and it like flowers. It's like a pretty flower. So there you go, chaps. So that wait till it's cool. There we go. Now your basic set don't come with a kettle, so I'd advise you buy the set with a kettle. Now you don't have to buy these hard anodized non-stick ones, these two, but I would suggest you buy a non-stick frying pan. It saves a lot of grief. But on saying that, and alternatively, as we shall say, I've been experimenting with silicone paper that you get from the pan shop and the original aluminium frying pan. Had good results so far. When I get outside camping next couple of weeks, I'll have a go with it, report back. So there you go, my little Trangia. Now I love them, some people don't, but for me they're nice and quiet. Now once you've mastered your Trangia and boiling your kettle, your next thing is to do a bit of cooking, as I say. Now the thing about Trangias is, once they're on fire, they're flipping gooey, and to turn them down, you can't like turn the gas ring down. You need to use your simmering. Now when you get your simmering, first off, it's as hard as cank. You can't move it. So what I'd suggest you do is just sit there for an hour or two, just wearing your simmering. Yeah, see what I'm doing? Something to do by a campfire, watching EastEnders, whatever you do, news at 10. Yeah. So that when you pop it on, you can just knock it round or knock it back. Jobs are good. So also what I'd say to you is, once you start up your old meths cooker and we've got it going, you have to use a bit of imagination. Yeah, take this off. Yeah, what I would do like that, so you're not burning yourself, is I'd just set your simmering gently like that. No more, just a bit more than half, shall we say. Yeah, grip it, pop it on. Yeah, put your top back on quick, see how it goes. If you need to knock it down a bit, then you obviously use your jobby, knock your flame down, let it simmer. There you go, you've got your beans on, they're not burning it to death, jobs are good. Now you'll notice on my pot gripper, it's got two bits of what look like yellow rubber. They are in fact yellow silicone tubing, and I put them on there because it don't fetch off the inner surface of your non-stick. Yep, good grip, non-stick's still there. Yeah, hey. Now also, because sometimes you need this and another hand, I bought one of these off my mate Stoke Pal. You can see him on the Tinterwebs. He's on that that Bay of Evil. He'll sell you one of these. These are awesome bits of kit. Don't burn your hand. So, pot gripper, extra pot gripper. Now, I would also advise you to get one of these. What's that, you say, big si? This is a little chopping board for when you like to do your mushrooms, but also when you've done your sketty, pop that over like that. It can pour the water away through the holes. Yay! So there you go. Awesome piece of kit. And when you pack away, pop that in your frying pan so your edges don't rub the coating off your frying pan. Your frying pan might last longer than 10 months. So the only other thing I'll say to you is, do like what I did. Yeah, you find yourself a lid. Now I'm going to do a one later on how to make a lid. Yeah, how to make a lid, but I found this out of an old Bulldog set. Yeah, lid on a Trangia saves you more fuel, lasts for longer, warms up quicker. So, chaps, chapesses, that's all there is to it. All I'm going to say now is peace out.